Father Leonardo O. Quezada Jr., DCT, Dr. Francois B. Fernandez, College Dean, distinguished guests, school officials, faculty and staff, parents, guardians and their families, visitors, co-graduates, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant afternoon to all of you. Graduation is an exciting time. It marks a significant role in a milestone of our academic life and a joyous moment to celebrate by graduates for reaping the fruit of hard work. Our college journey was full of many pressures due to the COVID-19 crisis and the demands of the time. We struggled attending online classes for more than 2 years, what with poor internet services available to us. Coping up with requirements like modules, reports, examinations, and other obligations in school were tight and stressful. But we overcame all those hardships by focusing on possibilities and our abilities rather than on weaknesses and failure. Our prayers and motivation to pursue help us continue to face the game of life despite all odds. The values, knowledge, and skills acquired from our beloved SMCCI help us overcome all the obstacles that came our way. Now, we have learned a lot of things from the experiences we went through, keeping us ready to face the challenges ahead. With great pleasure, on behalf of my co-graduates, my gratitude to the people who guided and molded us to become the persons that we are today. Thank you to the school administration, faculty, and staff for the love and the Michaelinian service extended to each one of us. The holistic formation offered by the institution can never be outdone. With flying colors, we were able to surpass the obstacles that we experienced for the past 4 years. The whole Michaelinian community nurtured us to be competent individuals and help us develop our flexibility, capacity, gracefulness, and good attitude. Our salute to you, our dear St. Michael College, Cantilan Incorporated, for developing us into the persons that we are today. To our dear parents, and guardians, we owe you everything that we are and we have today. Your unconditional love, support, guidance, and understanding guided our way. Thank you very much for taking of all our needs. On my part, I can't imagine how lucky I am to have parents who showered me with all the love, support, and understanding. Ma, Pa, maraming salamat po sa walang sawang suporta sa akin. Being an only child is not easy. But I'm so grateful na kayong naging magulang ko. Kayo yung dahilan why I work hard to achieve my goals and dreams in life. I want to give back to you all your sacrifices to me because you too deserve it. To my mama cats, thank you to convince me to always work hard on my studies. Sabi mo pa nga sa akin, my greatest achievement in life is when I see you receiving your diploma with academic honors. Ito na yun, Ma. I made it. Later on, I will learn a good job by God's grace. To my Papa Dodo, graduate na ang junior mo. Thank you, Pa, for always providing all my needs. I know I'm not a perfect daughter. I made mistakes, but you and Mama were always there to guide me and let me learn from those mistakes. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo. To my beloved grandmother, my mama Lo, thank you po sa lahat for guiding me sa mga panahong malayo ako kina mama. You always taught me how to be efficient, more responsible to myself and others. And to Uncle Jed, thank you for the non-stop advices. Love po kayo. To Ma'am Val and Sir Jude, thank you very much, Ma'am and Sir. Tahimik lang po ako madalas, pero I'm so thankful po sa inyo. Isa po kayo sa dahilan sa growth and success namin. Thank you po sa learnings, walang sawang support and advices sa aming magkakaklase. And to all the SMCCI College faculty and staff, maraming salamat po. Hindi po namin kayo makakalimutan. To my classmates, the gang, and especially to the so-called Apostle Mama Lo, Rowena, Ariel, and Mark, thank you guys. I always dreamed to have a kapatid, but unfortunately, I am not blessed to have one. Pero you guys made my dream come true. I will always cherish our friendship kahit na magkakahiwa-hiwalay na tayo. I hope we'll keep in touch pa rin kasi magninang pa tayo sa mga next generation games. Let us keep our memories forever in our hearts. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. To all of you, Batch 2024, thank you for the camaraderie, the smiles, the hellos, the sharing of time and effort in our school activities and obligations. To the Office of the Governor of Surigao del Sur, on behalf of my co-graduates, thank you very much for the scholarship grant. We were privileged to be chosen as your scholars. Once again, thank you. To a special person, Kevin, thank you for the love, support, and understanding. You're always there when I needed someone, lalo na sa mga panahong drained and pagod na ako. My love to you and your family. Foremost, with grateful hearts, we thank you, our Almighty Father, for making this day of our graduation possible. We thank you sincerely, our Lord, for this great gift. We were able to move forward to achieve our dreams, to earn a degree, despite the hurdles that came our way, because you carried us. To be carried and surmount the challenges, fears, worries, and doubts that we experience along the journey. My co-graduates, receiving our diploma today is a great achievement. Let us together move on and bring out the best in each one of us as we continue our quest. The Michaelinan education we acquired will bring us to the realization of our dreams. The world is beautiful. Let us keep its beauty by sharing our gifts, talents, and abilities. Let us always remember to be men and women for others. Congratulations to all of us. Caritas Christi, Virgen Nos.